garden is incredible.
All this is for you, Andy.
Wow, that is
$20.
awesome. Okay, $20.
Guys, another warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. Guys, I just got back from an event and my gosh, my house is a disaster. I mean, the kids just took over and the dogs and everywhere is a mess. But I have a friend of mine who is going to be coming over for dinner and I need to get this place cleaned up in like at least 15 minutes. Cook something for dinner, make some chai tea. And I just don't know if I have enough time, but anytime I have a guest coming over, I don't know if that is you, but I like to have my house at least tidied up, smelling good. And so I always have a place where I hide my clutter. I hope I can go through the clutter really quick, put away the dishes into the dishwasher, and get started to cooking something because I don't like when guests come over and they have to wait to eat, like wait for me to finish cooking. That is just not me. Um, and actually, my guest that is coming over is actually coming in to get some collard greens. It has been a really, Mikey, can you stop? Mm-mm. So this fall has been a little bit different. No, Mikey, anytime I sit down, Mikey thinks it's time to play, which is really unfair. So this fall has been a little bit different from what I've seen before in Colorado. It is really nice during the day, but then at night it falls down to below 40. So what I'm trying to do is try to harvest everything, which I have so much frozen collard greens this year, but I am trying to give away to my friends. So I've been talking to a couple of friends. I'm like, hey, I have collard greens if you want to have some. So one of my girlfriends came over this morning and she actually paid me to have some. And then she brought me over some injera bread, which is the Ethiopian cuisine. If you have never had injera bread, it's kind of like sourdough. So that is exactly what I'm going to have for dinner today with my friend that is coming over. He also wants some collard greens. So I'm going to be making some money. And I'm excited about that. So anyways, I need to get to decluttering this house, cleaning up really quick, getting food ready on the table before my guest comes over. I need to make sure this house looks clean, smells good, get to cooking some dinner, and hopefully have a very, very relaxing evening. So a very slow evening routine. So guys, join me for this video. Please like the video when you watch it. I would really, really appreciate that. And I wanted to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Collard greens, yes.
Tough.
Tough is like, I know it's gluten free. I am not sure if it's from barley or from what.
It's probably from barley because it's darker brown.
I think it's barley.
I think it is barley.
Is that funny? Phobia of Injera bread. Wanna try it? What is your recipe for collard greens?
Well, you take the greens and you soak them in salt water.
Salt water?
Yeah,
Okay.
for about half an hour, and then you cut the stems out, and then you roll them up and chop them up, and then you put them in a pot with chicken broth,
Nice.
and then I add some of that better than bouillon,
I like that.
and then some garlic, onion, and I can't remember, there's a few other spices we put in there. Cherry tomatoes.
I don't know. This cherry tomato or pear tomatoes?
Oh,
I don't know.
yeah.
All this is for you, Andy.
Wow. That is
$20.
awesome. Okay. $20.
Yeah. So better get you some turkey legs.
Yes, turkey leg. That's what I gotta have, a turkey leg to throw in the pot.
Yeah. Awesome. Then invite me over.
I will, yeah. I'm gonna cook them up.
It's all good. How's the cheese?
It's good.
That's good. That's fine. Okay. Come on.
So he's smelling, he knows what it is.